How to browse LinkedIn profiles without letting others know you viewed them. Here's how to turn off profile views on your iPhone or Android device. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, tap Settings. Now, tap Visibility. Under the Profile Viewing Options section, tap Profile Viewing Options. Here, you'll see three choices: your name and headline, private profile characteristics, and private mode. To turn off profile views, select Private Mode. Your changes will be saved automatically. Keep in mind that when you use Private Mode, you generally won't be able to see who's viewed your profile unless you have a qualifying premium feature and applicable settings. And that's it. You've successfully turned off profile views by enabling Private Mode on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips, app tutorials, and career advice.